how to set location sharing on an Android phone. So if you're trying to figure out how to share your location with a friend or maybe family member, then I'm gonna show you how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, swipe up to access your app drawer and find Google folder, because here we need to open Google Maps. Just tap on that and you should see a bunch of features, the map, but what we're gonna use right now is we need to tap profile icon in the top right corner. Of course, make sure you're signed in your Google account here. If not, just tap sign in this setting. Now we'll see a bunch of features as well, and from this menu we need to select location sharing. Tap on that. So after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap new share button, because if we tap the settings on the top and try to enable use location sharing, as you can see it is inactive. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap a blue button new share, this one, and then select with whom you want to share your location. Also, just choose for how long you want to share it. For example, for 1 hour, or you can tap on the plus and add hours, 3 hours, 4, and so on. Or reverse, just make it 1 hour. Or you can switch to until you turn this off. Then on the top you will see your name as well as battery percentage and your current location, which is updating in real time. Now just look at the suggestions section. Here you'll see with whom you can share your location. So I'm going to choose and tap share on the bottom. After that you can tap continue and allow Maps to send you notifications. Also, Maps can ask you to allow access to contacts, allow that as well. And then you will share your location with this friend. So as you can see, if I tap on this friend, I can just tap button stop, and with this way I will stop sharing my location. To see other person's location, he or she need to do the same, and then you will see them on the map as well. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.